first I'm going to prep my skin with primer. Next I'm just going to color correct. So I actually went and got my hair done today, and for some reason when I was driving there I was like kind of nervous. I don't know why. I've been there before. It's not like I haven't had really short hair before, which is not the length I was cutting to anyways. Okay, next I'm going to use potted concealer to cover my dark circles and any imperfections. But yeah, I was like driving there and I was low-key nervous for some reason. I don't know why. But I cut off most of like the damaged dead ends. To blend my concealer in, I'm going to wipe off the excess product on my brush and then start blending out the edges. I cut off most of my there's always a helicopter. They're always looking for someone. And then I'm gonna use the small brush again to blend out the edges. So my hair now, when it grows out, is going to be healthy instead of being like having all the bleached dead ends. But it feels so weird having short hair again after like growing it out for a little over a year. Now I'm gonna apply foundation with a spatula. I asked for like, am I using the wrong one? I used the wrong, because you know how I got the sample kits? No wonder, I was like, this looks so light. I used the wrong one. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna have to take everything off. Am I going insane? Why does it look so light? Like, I swear in person it looks like the same shade as my neck, but on camera it looks so white for some reason. When I look in the mirror it looks fine, so I feel like I'm going insane. But I'm just going to contour my nose. And I'm also going to do the rest of my face. I literally forgot what I was talking about because like the foundation jump scare. I'm going to blend in the cream contour with the brush. And I'm also gonna contour right here. Now I'm gonna go over both my nose and my face contour with a powder. But you know that video on TikTok that was basically like, oh, Asians should try doing their contour downwards because it makes your face look slimmer? But I don't know, I have this thing where I think like sometimes I think my face is like too slim, like too long, and then other times I look at photos where I like put my hair, I guess it's like I put my hair back too much, and then it looks like I have like a really wide face. So now I don't know, but now I'm gonna set around my face with a powder. But yeah, when I was like 8, there was this time where I was like in line for a slide at like art class because it was like recess, and this girl and her sister were in line with me, and I guess her older sister decided that we should line up based on like height, and I ended up being taller than the sister. Okay, now I'm gonna take a lavender powder and powder under my eyes, my forehead, and my chin, basically any areas that need to be brightened. But yeah, I was taller than her, and she said, the only reason you're taller than me is because your face is long like a cucumber. And I still think about it, even though that was like years ago and I was literally 8, I still think about it, and I'm kind of, I mean, I know I just contoured downwards, but I'm kind of scared to do it because like what if I make my face longer and like even more like a cucumber? Okay, so I'm gonna take a neutral palette, lightest, like the beige shade all over my lid. Then I'm taking a brown shade and I'm putting it in the corner right here. And I kind of want to blend it into the rest of my eye, as well as the bottom. So taking an angled brush, I'm going to use the darkest brown shade. I'm going to put it under my eye right here. I feel like my most recent videos, I've been using like the same palettes over and over and again. And I swear I use other palettes, it's just that for the browns, my other palettes, they're more like reddish browns and I kind of want more of a neutral brown for the looks I've been doing. Taking a really thin brush, I'm going to take the brown again and redraw my inner corner. So I'm going to take a gold highlight shade and put it in the inner part of my lid. Or, well, not really gold, like a neutral. Taking a denser brush, I'm going to blend the brown into the middle of my eye better. Now I'm gonna use a black eyeliner to draw a winged liner. Now that I have my eyeliner drawn, I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I'm gonna keep it pretty straight this time as well. I always forget what I'm saying when I make these videos. Like, did I finish talking about my haircut? I don't think I did, but like what if I did and now I'm just gonna have like footage of me repeating myself. If I did, y'all are just gonna have to listen to me talk about it twice. Yeah, so I wanted like a layered hush cut kind of. When I got home it wasn't as like layered as I wanted it to be, so I ended up cutting more of it on my own. I mean, it's still not exactly like what I wanted, but it is a little more layered. Like, I don't know, I'm not the type of person that is able to go back and ask for like things to be fixed because, yeah, I'm just not mentally stable enough for that. Okay, so I'm gonna put on fake lashes. Also because the Fairy Collection one has like a thinner lash band, so it doesn't give me a double eyelid. Now I'm going to take mascara and apply it to my bottom lashes. See, I forgot what I was talking about again. Also for bottom lashes, I find if you go from like the outer corner of your eye and just sweep it to the inside, your lashes kind of form the little nice triangle like shape clumps on their own. And then you can just like fix it. So after letting my lower lashes dry a little bit, I'm going to take a toothpick and heat it up, and I'm just going to like bring my lashes down so it's not sticking up. Okay, I'm gonna take like a bullet brush and some white highlighter. Get it open. Okay. I'm going to apply it right here. I'm also gonna apply it to the tip of my nose and the nose bridge. Okay, using the same like really thin brush, I'm gonna use the brown to shade under my 𝐼𝐞𝐽𝐻. Now I'm gonna apply blush kind of this way. I'm also gonna apply it on my nose slightly. So for my lips, I'm going to take the same thin brush and I'm going to contour it so that it looks a little plumper. And then I'm going to use leftover foundation on my little Miffy sponge. And then for lips, I'm just going to take a lip oil. And that is it for this look.
Hey, S.A.P. baby, hurry up, don't say maybe. 알기 다 한 줄 do